Hello friends, thank you for coming to my next quick and dirty daily review. Now this one might not be so quick and dirty because we have quite a bit that we are going over today. I have a bunch of AliExpress and eBay plates that I acquired, and they're all the little ones, so I thought I'd combine them into a bigger video. But also, I wanted to talk about the stampers that I had to use to pick up the less well-etched ones. So these are by GP Stamping in South America. And they are good, but they do have some cons. So I wanted to talk about that. If you'll notice, I'm a huge Damask fan, so it matches my placement. Anyway, so let's start this. I'm going to give you a look at each one of the plates. I'm going to start with the two MoYou ones. It's not the MoYou London label, apparently, that we all know. It's a little different label. That's what I've heard. I don't know for sure this. But we've got this one, which is a super awesome Halloween one, guys. I love this plate. Now this one was $4. And so was this one. This to me looks like a lens on a camera. You can disagree with me if you like, but that's what it looks like to me. And then we've got some newspaper text and some script and some other text right there. Alright, so those are the two MoYou ones. And then we've got some STZ ones. 3 of those. And these are where the special stampers had to come in. Because this one stamped all right. If you look at that one's really fun and geometric and astral and everything like that. And that one is STZ 109. The MoYou ones were apparently, this guy is 97. And this guy says 308. That seems a little weird. I really like that Celtic cross right there. Let me see. Anyway, so this one is STZ 109, and it's a lot of fun. I am not a big fan of this mouth. You'll see when I swatch it. I'm not a big fan of this mouth, so if I were using it in a stamp, I would probably end the stamp right here because it's a little weird. We have a UFO plate, STZ 112, and again, this is from AliExpress, these STZ ones. And these are a lot of fun. I like the bleep, 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 and I like the multi-legged ones. I like the the faces of the grays. I think that's what they're supposed to be, anyway. And anyway, these are just fun. And my mom says I say fun too much, so they're neat. Let's say neat. This one was a problem. If you can see, STZ 103 is very clearly not very well etched. And I went ahead and stamped it with these two stampers. They are super sticky. And that's sometimes good, but they were so sticky they were sticking to other things, and that is a problem. And this one was so sticky that it kept falling out of the stamper. It just keeps sticking to everything. It kept falling out of the stamper. So great for picking up tiny, not quite etched plates, but I don't know if this would be a stamper I would use really often. Just maybe an emergency stamper. So anyway, now I'm going to get to the Hehe ones, and that is the rest of these. So these are fake Hehe, and when it comes to the fake Hehe, it pays, if you do have the money to spend, it pays to get the real thing, because some of these were not greatly etched. So I've got some inventors. We've got Isaac Newton with his apple on his head, and a few inventors whose names I don't know, except that's Tesla with his lightning electricity in the background. Anyway, I don't quite know who everybody else is, but it is a really neat plate for anybody in the STEM fields or just anybody who likes science. Let me keep it with the science theme real quick. I'll cover the other ones later. We've got a cell wall here and some cell bits. I think there's a mitochondria in there and maybe not. I don't remember my 8th grade biology very well. But I do remember cell walls and all that bit, and this was a really cool plate. I made a mani out of this plate, and I am very, very happy with it. Really cute. I like the DNA strands. I'll show you those in just a sec. All right, when it comes to DNA strands, we're looking at this plate right here. This is Hehe 089, which means I have to tell you these now. Gosh darn it. Okay, this is Hehe 94 with the cell. And with the inventors, this is Hehe 096. All right, and again, if you can go to the Hehe website, I would Google search and find that one. But I did get these on AliExpress. Here's Hehe 89. We have some bacteria, I think. Pretty sure those are bacteria. They look pretty naughty. And then we've got some more bacteria, and we've got some DNA strands right there. So those are a lot of fun. We have Hehe 92, which has the heart, some pills, a brain, some eyeballs, and I made a mani out of that and a couple of other plates. So here's this one. I made it dedicated to altered states of consciousness. So we've got a glass of wine from a different plate, a closed eyeball from this plate. We've got a white rabbit from a MoYou London plate. We've got the pills from this plate. We've got the eyeball and some stars. We've got the white rabbit, and this is from another plate in this series. I'll show you in a second. And then we've got some more eye with stars. So let me show you this white rabbit here. They're really hard to make out until you stamp them. And then here's a series of numbers. Here's a series of ornate shapes. And then these are letters here. And then this is Hehe 085. Did I tell you this was Hehe 092? I don't know. So, pie plate. I have a pie plate, and pun, I guess, intended. So this is Hehe 053. And we've got 3.141592653589732, and then I can't remember the rest, but they are down here. So anyway, those are fun, and it has the pie symbol in the middle of the plate. So that would be great for a Pie Day mani. It's always nice to have a plate for those. So these are the two remaining ones that I did go ahead and decide to throw in today. Given how long this is lasting, I'm not sure I'm happy with that. But this is Hehe 039, and this has some Chinese mythical creatures as well as some ornate design up here and down here. And this is a lot of fun. And then Hehe 044. It looks like coffee beans to me. They could be olives. I'm actually not sure. Some sort of beans, maybe a lantern and some other shapes. I've used this as a like on the half moon and coming up to the top of the nail there. That has been a beautiful shape for me before, and it made it into a great mani. So let me show you what these look like when they're stamped. We've got, here's what the stars one looks like. See that mouth? Isn't that weird? And then got a tiny, tiny little geometric deer. And got some other shapes. I like this diamond, this geometric diamond here. I like this eye. This little skull. They're fun. I do like that plate. I certainly like it for like 79 cents or whatever it cost. All right, so here's my UFO stuff stamped. As you can see, they stamped just fine. And I'm rushing through these because I am trying to not take forever. Now these, you'll see the problem I had. See, and I'm, you know, using stampers, using regular stampers. Here's where I use the sticky bright orange stamper. Here's where I use the sticky bright orange stamper. Sticky bright orange stamper, sticky bright orange stamper, sticky bright orange stamper. So these did take what I call miracle stampers in order to stamp. And this one still didn't turn out amazing. So I don't know if I would pass on it. I really love this egg, but is the egg worth the, you know, is it worth the plate? I don't know. I don't know. So here's the MoYou ones. Got those eyeballs and a skull here. Got that. I don't have a complete imprint of the Celtic cross, but between these two you can see it. And then we've got the writing in the newspaper and some more text. And then I still think that is a lens. So I'm going to grab the next page, which is the last page of our samples. Sorry, I'm hurrying through this. So here's the one we got with the beans and the lantern. Here's the ornate one with the cute little mythical creatures. We've got our altered states plate with the heart and everything. Here is the plate with the bad bacteria. Some cell action here. And here is the bacteria stamped with a regular stamper. So this took a miracle stamper, guys. This took a miracle stamper, this took a miracle stamper, this took a miracle stamper. This took a miracle stamper. No, this one did, sorry. This is a regular stamper right here. So you can see the difference between the quality of those images. And this I didn't try with a miracle stamper. I just wanted to show you guys how it turned out with the regular stamper. And here's my scientists. They are fun. They are so much fun. I love these guys. And then I think that is it for the ones that I have stamped. So again, these stampers, look, they stick to everything, are from GP Stamping. And they can be gotten, I got these in a group buy. They can be gotten through orders. I think the guy orders through like Facebook. He places your order through Facebook because it's a long way away, his company. Anyway, so we are done here, and I hope that didn't take forever. I hope you like my manicures, and please come back tomorrow and see my next daily review. Please subscribe to my channel so you'll know when I release new videos. Hit that little notification button. Like this if you enjoyed it, and I would love to hear your comments and questions below. Thanks a bunch. See you later.